Hi, and welcome to another manager warm-up with Gulf States Toyota. Today we're going to talk about the Engage app and how useful and important this can be as a sales consultant. First of all, I love to use it to engage with customers. I think it's not only a great tool to help you with walkarounds and questions that customers ask specifically about the vehicle, but there's also some great tools on here to use with customers that are contacting you by email or by phone, or that are wanting to come in and see a vehicle. In fact, you can even use some great follow-up tools on here because there are some awesome videos. All right, so let's dig into this. First of all, you've got to go to your app store. If you've got an Android phone, you're going to want to go to the Google Play Store. If you've got an Apple phone, you're going to want to go to the Apple Store. Once you've downloaded the app, this is what you're going to see. Now at the bottom though, you're also going to notice where it says dealers, Toyota members log in here. This is really important. If you don't log in, there's a lot of information you won't get because this was designed for sales consultants. All right. So down here at the bottom, we're going to log in. Now the other thing that you want to remember is that because you are in the Gulf States area, you're going to need to log in down here in the GST dealers section. Okay, so don't log in that top section. Log in down here where it says GST dealers if you're in the 5-state region of Texas, Oklahoma, Arkansas, Mississippi, and Louisiana. Okay, here we go. Now the sign-in that you're going to use is going to be your Dealer Daily login. So if you have access to Pipeline or whatever else, typically it's 42103 _ Trevor W. That would be mine normally. You can tell you're logged in because down here at the bottom, you're going to see a lot more options. The first thing I want to start with is, I think, the most important piece of information in this whole app, the VIN scanner. You'll notice it's down at the bottom, there's the logout, about, and then the VIN scanner. We're going to click on the VIN scanner because this is magic, all right? Now, when you click on the VIN scanner for the first time, you're going to have to give it permission to look to use your camera. But a lot of you already have access to something like this through your CRM app or something like that. Here we go. Now it's loading the vehicle data. What's great about this is it is specific to this vehicle. It shows you the miles per gallon, the base MSRP, all of the optional equipment that's been put on the vehicle, the delivery process handling all of the stuff that is on there. You've got information about the exterior of the vehicle, the different options that are there, the interior. But what I believe is the most important piece of information is the audio multimedia, and then of course the safety and convenience as well. But let's go back to that audio multimedia at the top for a second. Okay, first of all, you'll notice it tells you which level, which trim level of the radio you got, and includes, right, whether you have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, Amazon Alexa compatible, Sirius XM, the 3-month trial. And then when you go down to the connected services, there's no more question as to which trim level you got, which connected services you have, does it have Wi-Fi Connect, how long is that free for? So I think this is really good. You'll also notice down here at the bottom that there's this little arrow out in the circle. Now that's the Apple symbol. If you're in an Android, it has the 2 dots and a V. We're going to press that, and you can actually end up texting it, emailing it, sending it off. I think this works great for letting customers know what they got with their vehicle, especially, if they looked at a higher trim level that maybe did have remote connect and the one that they're buying doesn't. You're definitely going to want to send them this and remind them, here's all the stuff that you got on your new vehicle. Congratulations. But it also doesn't list, the remote connect that they had seen in one of the other ones. So it's a great way to engage with your customers that way and just remind them what they got on their vehicle. The other things that I think are really important is all the body model codes and the search app. So up here, what's great about this is you can actually search for the 4Runner fuel tank. Do you know that customers like to ask that question a lot? How big is my fuel tank? And guess what? It's right there. So it's very easy to use. This has got some great information. Again, not a bad thing to either send or to screenshot for your customer. One of the other things I love about this is if you click on the MSRP section, it actually tells you also what body model code. The XLE V6 is a 3544, and I know we get a lot of questions about that, especially when it comes to the trim levels and the features that are available. And options and packages that you can get. This is also awesome because right there you go. You see the 3547, 3557 that has the option of the premium audio for the EJ code. It's just absolutely amazing. It gives you the MSRP price, all of the different packages that are available with the different trim levels. So that's really helpful. And then colors also. I know sometimes even if you're doing dealer trades, you can't remember exactly what that paint code is. They're all listed right here. So it's really helpful. And then we'll even show you which vehicles it's available on and which interior colors it's available with and trim materials as well. So I just find this app to be ridiculously helpful. There are some other resources that you can use with your customers. We're in the Avalon. It gives you some information about the J.D. Power study. There's a CFA, which is a customer-facing article on Apple CarPlay. You've just got a lot of great information in here. Now then, once you're done with those vehicles, you can actually come down here to the bottom and you can start looking at some other things. You can look at safety features, right? And you can go through Toyota Safety Sense, and it will actually show you what's standard, how the systems work, the TSS features by the different packages, C, P, and 2.0, although right now with our vehicles, we only have the P and the 2.0 for 2020. You have the different TSS lineup that you can actually find with each different vehicle. So really helpful, and I think you'll find that there's a lot of great information. And the other thing that I think is wonderful about it is you can always take a screenshot of this and you can say to a customer that you're working with online, especially like the VIN scanner, you can scan the VIN of the vehicle that they want information on, and you can send them that information from your phone or from your iPad. And what's great about that is it's also a great way to get their phone number. So I'm going to encourage you guys to use this. It's a great walk around tool. You know, there are videos that you can talk about with customers. I mean, there's just all kinds of information in here, and it's all right at the touch of your fingertips. So give it a chance, spend some time playing around in here, and especially don't forget about that VIN scanner when you're getting out there on the lot and you're not sure exactly what's on that vehicle. Thanks for spending the time with us. Have a great day.